Okay, sir, what I want you to do is go ahead and place your hands behind your back, okay? All right, go ahead and release your hands for me. All right, go ahead and put your hands together just like this. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, what is this one for?
Just relax, okay?
I'm relaxing.
Just give me 1 second. I'll explain everything to you, okay? All right, right now, okay? I'm placing you under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence, okay? Do you understand? Okay, go ahead and step right in front of my patrol car for me. All right, go ahead and spread your feet for me. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, prick me, stick me, or cut me?
No.
You don't?
No.
Okay. Super out 43. Driver's going to be 1015, reference signal 1. I'll get you the deal number in a minute. All right, switch with me. Do you have any necklaces on or anything? No.
I did not.
Okay. Alright, I'll figure that out later. Go ahead and bring right over here.
In the body. That's about it.
What's that?
It's a few screws in the body.
What's that mean?
Like one screw in my knee and three in my
okay.
back.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and step right over here for me. Right over here.